welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to do a pillow, or what I call a cushion bag, that will be placed inside a cushion cover. Now I am measuring 18 inches by 18 inches, so I'm doing a square, and I already measured and marked, as you can see, and I am now going to cut along the lines that I have marked. All right, I'm now going to stitch this, and I'm stitching, and I'm going to not right there. I'm going to leave a little space where the bag can be turned over to the other side, and then I'm going to just continue stitching all the way. Finished stitching. With my section left out, I am going to use that, and I'm going to turn it inside out. All right, that's one corner. All right, I'm putting everything on the inside, and then I just pull out, and there's no right or wrong way to turn this over. You do it in the best way you know how. So there's a second corner. There's my third corner. And there's my fourth corner. So there you have it, a simple bag, and you can stuff this with your sponge, and then this would be inserted inside the cushion. Please share your views in the comment section below, and remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can be informed of other videos.